Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to create a Pitman rotating schedule for your business on Google Sheets. The final result would look something like this. You can follow this tutorial to create a schedule from scratch, or make a copy of our template through the link in the description. First, you'll need to put in the first day of the new month. For example, I'm creating a rotating schedule for October, and October starts on Friday. I'll put in shift and Friday here. Next, we'll fill the cells with the weekdays. To do that, select this cell. Hover at the bottom right of the cell until a plus sign appears. Click and drag. The cell will be filled automatically. Then we'll resize the columns so they look smaller and more organized. Select the columns. Right-click. Select Resize Columns, and enter the width you want. Here I'll enter 30. I'll copy and paste to create 31 columns for 31 days of the month. You can right-click and choose Copy and Paste, or you can use the shortcuts Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Next, we'll add a row for the dates of the month. First, let's format the dates. Select 31 cells. Go to Format, Number. You can select the default format here if you want. I only want the day number, so I'll add a custom format. Let's go to More Formats. Select More Date and Time Formats. You can delete the tags here. Click on the drop-down arrow to select the format you want. Hit Apply. Next, we'll add the date picker. Select the cells. Go to Data. Data Validation. Select the drop-down menu next to Criteria. Select Date. Hit Save. Now you can double-click on the cell to choose the starting date of the work schedule. I'll select one as it's the beginning of October. Hover at the bottom right of the cell until the plus sign appears. Click and drag. The cell will be filled automatically with the day numbers. Before we add shifts to the schedule, let's take a look at the pattern of the Pitman rotating schedule. You'll have 4 teams working 12-hour shifts, and the schedule rotates every 4 weeks. D stands for day shift. O stands for day off. N stands for night shift. I've added dark yellow blocks for day shifts, and dark blue blocks for night shifts, just to make it easier for you to understand and reference while scheduling. In the Pitman schedule, each team will work 2-day shifts, take 2 days off, work 3-day shifts, take 2 days off, work 2-day shifts, take 3 days off. Then switch to 2 night shifts, take 2 days off, work 3 night shifts, take 2 days off, 2 night shifts, take 3 days off. And then the cycle ends, and the schedule rotates to this point again. The Pitman schedule is used for 4 teams, so we'll color code the 4 teams for easy reference later on. You can put A, B, C, or D right on the schedule, but it may be difficult for you and your staff to look at. Let's color code the teams. I'll choose blue for Team A, red for Team B, yellow for Team C, and green for Team D. We'll start filling shifts for Team A first. You'll have to reference the pattern table, so make sure to jot it down on paper or make a copy of it from our template. I'll copy and paste the pattern table here. Let's put in day shift and night shift here. I'll fill the shifts while referencing the table. Hit Ctrl+C for copy, and Ctrl+V for paste. I'll copy and paste the 2 blue blocks here for 2-day shifts. 2 days off, leave 4 cells blank. 3-day shifts. 2 days off, leave 4 cells blank. 2-day shifts. 3 days off. 2 night shifts. 2 days off. 3 night shifts. 2 days off. 2 night shifts. 3 days off. And then the cycle ends. We'll go back to the starting point of the cycle and continue to assign shifts accordingly. 2-day shifts. So we've finished assigning shifts for Team A. Let's do the same thing for Team B. Team B's shifts are basically the opposite of Team A, so it's much quicker to fill the shifts in. Team B's cycle will start here, from 2 night shifts, so let's put 2 night shifts in the schedule. 2 days off. 3 night shifts. 2 days off. 2 night shifts. 3 days off. We'll go back to the starting point of the cycle and continue to assign shifts accordingly. Team C's cycle will start here, from 2-day shifts. Let's fill in the blank blocks in the schedule. Team D's cycle will start here. As you can see, we've already filled in the shifts of other teams, so basically, the remaining blocks are Team D's shifts. So we've finished creating a Pitman rotating schedule for 4 teams. Now we can format the schedule a little bit to make it easy to look at. To create the borders for the schedule, highlight the cells. Click on this symbol. Choose all borders or the style of border you want. All center align the texts in the cells by clicking on this symbol. All merge these 2 cells by selecting them and clicking Merge Cells and Merge All. You can also align the text in this cell to the middle. Go to Format. Align. Select Middle. You can bold the texts, add background colors to the cells, and add more information depending on your purpose. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video can help you create a Pitman rotating schedule for your staff. You can also make a copy of our template through the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.